which yogi tea are you slurping on? Hey, we can have a small. Oh, I. Damn. I let the fridge open. I know, but I thought I'd give you guys a small. On the teas, you know? Small check on the teas. Welks. So, we have a small tea break, you know? Always good to speak about the teas of life, you know? So, I killed all the teas 1 week ago, and now we are back. Now we are back with a lot of teas, you know? So yeah, first of all, Victor Marianne asked for that. The classical, yogi tea, mental clearness, you know. By the way, I don't get paid for any of this, you know, before you want. Yeah, we have that. Mental clarity with a little bit of ginger, citron leaves, and some other leaves. I don't know the translation. Next one, for real guys, this is called the running tea, you know, for people that run. That's me, that's me. So running tea, we have like fresh, fruity, and for the sport active feeling, yeah, I don't know what we have in there, I don't know. Anyways, the runner's tea, you know, running tea, good tea. Then we have this one, not open yet, Bio Minze, erfrischend, I don't know, mint, exactly, mint. Let us put him over here. Then we have what happens when you mix all of them. We can try that. Oh, dreams for the people who can't sleep. That's me. Did you forgot me again, Tommy? Nah, I can't read everything. Walks. Victor Mariam, do they also have walking tea? Just asking for a friend. Walking tea, maybe, but we have herb dream tea, you know. So for the people, maybe you have some people with. Do we have some people today in the chat who are a little bit struggling with sleep? Then we have this one I had yesterday, and that was actually amazing of a taste. We have a mint infusion plus herbs and licorice. I don't know what is licorice. Does anybody know what licorice is? Do we have dance tea? I don't know if we have dance tea. Licorice, good tea. Then we have another tea, harmony and herbs again, you know, let him put over here. Then we have another tea. Oh, this is something for the chat. Can you guys see? Yeah? This is something for the chat. The tea of luck. The tea, I can't sleep for real. Yeah, same. We have the tea of luck today, and this actually what I'm drinking at the moment. Tea of luck. If anybody's interested in that, you know, feel free to hit me up. I want to place that over here. Let's go. Then we have a big package of chamomile, you know. Then we have another tea. No shit. Then we have another tea with chamomile, you know. But you know, you have to. I can't see the chat anymore, by the way. There's the chat. Let's make them all. Yeah, chamomile is always good, you know. But in the leaves itself, you know, so you have to mix, you know, you have to do the stuff. Then you guys know this one. It's a classical black tea that I'm sometimes drinking when I'm really down and I need a little bit of fresh. And then we have herbal tea, and I have no clue what that is. Damn. Can anybody tell me? Herbal tea? Apple lemon. This actually looks like it's not. Yeah, I have no clue. And the last one, in Zhejiang, China. Do we have some people from China? It's a green tea from China. Zhejiang, China. I think there's the city. Longjin. I have no clue. Yeah. Tea, you know? Tea in the end of the day. Tea. So this is a collection what we have at the moment. I don't get the tea culture. Like, what do you mean you drink early grey tea? Like, what do you mean you early grey tea? Never heard of that. Shiner. The black one looks illegal. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, we never know if it's also used for other things. You know, I always try to only run one time. I hated to run 2 times. Or not hated. Hate is maybe not the right word. Damn. Early grey? What is early grey, Amachi? So, family and the friends. Oh. 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 Last to them Christmas, I gave you my heart, and then the last to them bitches, and